guys. So it's December 22, and it's our 3 nights here in the hospital. And during our first night, New South Wales government gave us freebies. So this is our freebies from the hospital, New South Wales. So let's open. Let's try to look at what's inside. We haven't opened this one, only today. So first we have first aid kit. Let's open what's inside that first aid kit. I can't open it, guys. I can't open first aid kit. Do we have can you open? Nico's trying to open it. And oh, we have a lot. Wow. They also gave us Australian nappies. Australia's biggest, largest 100% natural baby wipes. The baby wipes, Australian made. And inside the first aid kit, we have this one. This is what's inside. Tweezers. Is this tweezers? Tweezers. And then like this. When you open it, it's like this. So we have tweezers, we have bandage, we have instant, wow, they have ice pack, instant ice pack. Amazing. And we have here baby thermometer, like you can see if bath thermometer. And we also have something like this. I have this, something like this. It's some kind of no, it's not an organizer. It's for the pram cover during the heat. And wow, this one's a blanket. It's a blanket, cute blanket. Ayuda from New South Wales. And then we also have muslin wrap. Wow, I bought a lot of this one. Actually, we have a lot of this one. So we have muslin baby wraps. Amazing. And we also have toothbrush, infant toothbrush. And we also have nappy cream for baby's bum or mga nappy rash. And then let's see what's inside pa. Oh, hand sanitizer. See? Wow. And we also have sleeping bag. Wow, brand new sleeping bag. It's a sleeping bag. Oh, it's something like this. Yung ano yung itsura inside. Nice. And we also have brochures about how to raise the baby. And I think most of it, see, passport to parenting, baby milestone cards from New South Wales, and congratulations on the birth of your baby. It's a gift card, some kind of a gift card. baby bundle. Cutie. Cutie. It's a lot of papers, catalogs. This one here. Nice. Nice. And oh, we also got booklets. So storybooks, I think. Yeah, storybooks. We have storybooks. The Grog. Joey counts to 10. Cute. And W is for Wombat. It's my first Australian word book. So we have to teach her Australian words. It's a lot. Nice, no? It's really nice here. And it's a it's a brand new bag because there's still a tag on it, and then there's a logo of the New South Wales. Cute. So that's it, guys. The baby is still in the nursery care, so we just visit her there, or they ginapaadto siya diri sa akua for breastfeeding. So right now she's in the nursery care, and that's it. I think that's it. So see you guys next time.